Alright, what's up? Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a virtual machine, use it. If you don't know what one is right now, I'm going to explain it. What it is, it's a sandbox version of your normal operating system, or maybe Linux, or maybe Windows if you have Linux. Basically, it's just another operating system inside of your computer. So to get started, you have to, it just depends what you're using. Here you visit virtualbox.org, and you can see, look, virtualbox.org, see what you need to get. There's for Linux OS X, which is a type of Linux. It's Max Linux, I'm pretty sure. Solaris, and then there's Windows. So I need Windows. There's 86, which is 32-bit, and there's 64-bit. So once you download it, you follow the wizard, which is pretty simple. But once you download it, you need your ISO. So what you go is go to Ubuntu. Alright, here's Ubuntu. Not a virtual machine. It is a operating system. It's a free Linux-based operating system. You can use whatever operating system that is an ISO file that you want, but I'm going to use Ubuntu. Just as a demonstration, I already have the ISO files. You only need one, but I have a couple. So what you do is you go Ubuntu desktop if you have, or you can get Ubuntu server and stuff. And then here is just the stuff you need, 25 gigabytes. Now when you download it, see there's all this crap. You can just turn all that off. You don't have to pay any money. It's free. So, Alright, sorry. I just wanted to see what that was. So, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay, it's free. Once you press download, what happens is, I promise you it's safe, you don't need to be worried or anything. That'll start downloading. Let me just see what it is. Let me see. It's gonna take a while. I don't need it though. So, cancel that. But it should give you an ISO, which is, it's an image of the operating system. So once you have all those things set up and complete, you're gonna get rid of that. Let me do this. Center it a bit. Go ahead and go over to your VirtualBox. Open that up. Alright, once you're here, you're going to press New. And you want to choose what type. So I'm going to set up a Linux one. And if you're using Windows, you would of course use Windows. I'm going to name this Test, since I'm just using this for a test. Press Next, memory size, whatever you need, whatever you got. So it's recommended 1 gigabyte. I have 16 gigabytes. I don't really need to give it this much, but I'm going to anyways. So, I want to create a new virtual hard disk. What you do is you choose VirtualBox disk image. Press Next. You can choose dynamically located or fixed size. Dynamically located is easier to use and make. Fixed size will run better. So choose wisely. I'm going to go with fixed size. What dynamically located does was it just expands as you need more, and fixed size is just it's the same. It's never going to change. It's always going to be how many gigabytes you give it. So it's at 8 gigabytes. It's fine. Yes, and you want to press create. It's going to take a little while it's doing this. So basically what you're doing now is you're making your own operating system. You're making your own virtual hard drive. So, let me show you something else. Another cool one if you're into Linux and things is Tails. Let's see. Tails, what this does is it spoofs your IP, puts you on a proxy. It spoofs your it spoofs pretty much everything. It spoofs your MAC address, it spoofs your DNS address, everything. Now, it sends its traffic through Tor, which is a onion routing. It is a onion routing web browser. You install it, you just run it. You install it, you set up a virtual machine, make it a second operating system, whatever. It's really nice. Debian, you know. Let's see. So I'm just telling you about that. Debian is a type of Linux. Another one that y'all might like. I'm just showing you some while I'm waiting for this to download. Is Kali Linux. So, let's see. Basically, Kali Linux is a penetration testing distribution. Let me dumb that down for anyone. Just kidding. You don't need to dumb down. You know what that means. Basically, it's a hacking program. It's a hacking operating system. It's awesome. You know, I set a keylogger on my old computer with it. It just does so much stuff. Its old name was Backtrack, but now it's called Kali. It has John the Ripper. It has pretty much every major hacking program. So, you know, it's worth a look, you know. So, it's done. So now what you want to do is press start. Once you press start, you want to go and choose your ISO. So I got 3 here, but I'm just going to show you what you'll have to do if you haven't already done it. Once you open that up, you want to choose your ISO, and it's going to have this little thing. It's a disk image file. I'm going to choose mini. Open. So it's super small, as you can tell. It is a mini ISO image file for Ubuntu. You know, it's hard to explain, but you know, it's pretty simple, but it's just hard to explain. So we'll just start this up. Basically, it doesn't come with everything that you need. And there you go. That is it. Now you just follow the install and you're done. So, thanks for watching. Like, rate, subscribe, comment. Tell me if there's something I can do better. Something that you want me to do again. A request of something. I can show you everything. You know, just anything. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.